249. Come on, good. There's another one more rupee. Nearly went to 250. Come on, man. Don't fizzle out now. That's it. Oh. Good morning, all. Today is 17th April, Friday. Today it was a kind of a flattish opening, I would say. And yeah, market is above currently above the VWAP. There's a little bit of buyers aggression actually. I wouldn't say it's like a major one, but still comparatively, buyers are in control as of now. Now let's try to mark some dynamic zones. Yeah, over here, right? This region, we have both the market buyers and limit buyers. So I'm gonna mark the zone, and it is kind of overlapping the VWAP as well. So I'm just marking this area. Let's see. I'm expecting a bounce from this place. If that's not happening, probably push on the downside. Now on the top, yeah, there we have some limit seller setting. So if the market really wanted to go high, they need to really break this level. So yeah, so these are the two levels right now, or rather two zones we have. We'll see what's the reaction around these places. Okay, and then we'll try to use this logic when we try to figure out a setup. Okay, yeah, let's see. It's 9:49 now. If you look at the price, is currently above the zone we marked, and nicely trying to sustain above the VWAP. And there's a good aggression by the buyers now. So I'm looking at a call position now. Let me try to build a position. I'm looking at 24,100 C. Okay, that candle is closed. Mm, looks like a good candle. Okay. All right. Okay, fine. My first leg is in. Got a good slippage here. I'll wait for a dip to add my second quantity. Let me add the stop loss first. Okay. Okay, I'm adding the second leg as well. Okay. I think that kind of managed the entry. It should have been around 230, 6 point something, but I think currently the entry average is around 237.92. So the target is 251.8. Okay. One sec. So I'm expecting it to actually push higher and probably create a new day high. If that's happening, yeah, we will have a target. So let's wait for it. Buyers have actually stepped in now. So some sort of an aggression is there. 239, 239.85. And now if you look at it, right, comparatively from the last week, there has been some, I have observed there's been some sort of, changed the market nature basically. It is trying to settle down into small ranges because yeah, obviously the VIX has come down now. I think yeah, it is now currently around 18. So the high VIX environment has not there as of now. So the movements will be kind of controlled. We might need to wait, really wait. Even if you're scalping, you probably will have to put your patience into test most of the time. Hopefully, the geopolitical issues and other stuff, you know, settle down, and world just return to the normal state, right? Yeah, yeah. Currently in some 5,000 odd rupees profit. I think yeah, it's same thing is happening. The smaller candles in ranges. Yeah, yeah. It's just at the top range which we marked. Anyway, let's see. That's okay. I think it might try to break. Another good part is like the candles are all above the EMA. So which kind of gives that momentum feel and will give some sort of a confidence to hold on to the trade. As long as we see it above the EMA, people are there and they're not letting it go beyond that particular EMA, which means yeah, buyers are stepping in, right? And at least sellers are not overpowering it. I think it's coming to 241, 242 odd levels, and then every time it reaches there, it's falling. So when if it is trying to break above 242 levels, right? Probably we might see some sort of a spike. It's not good. And it needs to sustain above the EMA. If you look at it, right, last three candles, last two candles actually broke the low back to back. Okay, now it's trying to recover. Yeah, some pushes now coming. Come on, if it breaks out at that 242 levels, right? High chance we might see some spike on the upside, and most likely we might get the target there. And our target is 251.8. Okay, 241.6. Okay, 242. Now it has broken out. 244. Come on. Push. One push, man. Come on. 244. 244. Yeah. 245. Good. So good. Come on. 245. Nearly it went up to 246, I think. Yeah. 246. 247. 248. Good. Come on. Just three more rupees there. That's it. 248, 249. Come on. Good. Just another one more rupee. Oh, nearly went to 250. Come on, man. Don't fizzle out now. That's it. Oh. It was showing some 18K, 18,000 rupees profit, and now all of a sudden, see, it's back to break even. Yeah. Come on. That's what I told earlier. The candles are not, as big as like in last 2 weeks, whatever it used to make. Now it kind of, tend to come back to the original or the normalized version basically. Yeah. Oh, it's now coming down, which is not good. It has closed below the EMA now, which is not good. If this candle closes above the EMA, then that's good. 242, still hovering there. Yeah, it has closed above the EMA now. Let's see if it can give a push. Okay, 244. It went to 244. Previously, I don't actually used to watch the chart. Okay, so 245. I don't actually used to watch the option charts. Instead, I only used to focus on the execution terminal where only the price will be listed. That's something help me stay in focus and not to get distracted with the floating profits. So since I started, journaling things in YouTube for a much better understanding and clarity for the viewers, I thought like, yeah, it's better to keep on, an option chart. Okay, it's a good push now. 248, it went to 248.2. Good. Come on, man. Oh, nearly there. Can it do this time? It's trying actually. The buyers are actually trying to step in here. Yeah, 248. Yeah, I was telling like, yeah, so yeah, so after seeing these fluctuations, right, the chart actually will give you those sort of signals. Oh, see, now that is not looking. Oh god, okay. Stop loss gone. That's very odd. Okay, that's okay. We are out what we can, and there's some slippage also. I think it's 14,500 rupees. Yeah, it should be around 11K, but yeah, that's okay. We'll have to accept it. Better not to fight it, right? Yeah, it's yeah. I will do a quick journal and come back. But it was a good setup. Yeah, these things will happen, and yeah, we'll have to actually cop up with it. All right, I'll make a quick journal and then come back. Okay. Yeah, look at this now. Just took the stop loss, and then within two candles, it gave the target. See, this is what I told. Right? It might make a new day high. So yeah, we were wrong. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I was a little unlucky, or yeah, I'll have to just accept it. Right? This is such a painful thing when you actually identify an opportunity and you almost got there, but yeah, what but eventually you don't have the money, instead you lost it, right? Yeah, that's it. Just a matter of few paces actually. If you really wanted to, know the importance of those spaces actually, right? You should be coming to trading. Yeah. Yeah, probably I think I should be reviewing my stop loss logics, because I know I place it like, quite tight stop losses most of the time. But last month especially there were like quite a few instances where, I just took my stop loss and then went to target. Yeah. Usually I do the review in, kind of 20-25 batches and then see what's happening. And if at all, if there is any changes, I do it after the batch. That works really well, in fact. All right. Then now I'll update anyway, if I get another opportunity. 11:42 now. It's looking good for an upside. Might do a new day high. So I'm gonna look at a call option. I'll go for 200. I'm gonna wait. Okay, it's price has already moved. Let me draw the plan. I'll wait for the price to come down. Okay. There's some good aggression there, and the price is currently above the VWAPs of first span deviation, and it might do a new day high. So that's the expectation. Let's see. I'll wait. I'll wait for the price to come below 215 in this option candle, and then probably, yeah, I will decide on the entry. Some good pushes happening actually. Sorry, the screen was not recording, and for some reason it got crashed. All right, so we got the trade, and it worked in our favor, and yeah, it covered all the losses. Now we are back up, what, like 12K. But this is what I told. I was taking support from the first band deviation, and yeah, it made a new day high as we expected. So that gave us the profit. If you see, right, yeah, this trade gave me like 27,300 rupees. So it covered the previous loss, and then, yeah, we are closing the day with 12K profit. So yeah, these were the entries. We got a good entry actually. We got this one at 213, and we got an exit around 226. So yeah, this was actually a good trade anyway. Fine. All right then. I'm stopping for the day. See you on Monday. Okay. Till then, stay calm and trade safely. Bye bye.